As I was mentioning earlier, that Git has a distributed version control. What it actually means is that every user has their own repository. So there's no central repository, but you might argue that on GitHub we have master repositories created. Agreed. But that's a convention. It's not a feature of Git. So it's by convention we all agree that there's a master branch from which everyone needs to sync. But on the ground level, everyone has their own repository. And whatever changes you are making in your repository are stored as change sets. Git tracks changes based on change sets, not versions. And that is the difference with other source code management softwares. Change sets over here in Git are considered as discrete units and can be shared between repositories. Because of the distributed version control, there is no central server, and that's one benefit, which makes it comparatively faster. It also allows us to have a fork of a given repository. So forking feature is also possible because of its distributed nature. Other advantage is that individuals can work independently on their repositories and then they can submit their change sets for approval or rejection. So in Git, there's no central repository. That's the crux of it. In the next one, we'll be covering more about Git fundamentals.